This is the vintage Coach Abbie Zip, style number 9017. This bag was made in the US in 1998 and it's in the color black. So this is a smaller size crossbody bag. Here's the crossbody strap, as you can see. The strap is attached directly onto the sides of the bag. Here's the other side as well. It's also got a zip top closure. And it's got one small slip pocket along the front of the bag right here. And then I'll show you, here's what the back of the bag looks like. It's just smooth leather. There's no back pocket on this one, just this front pocket. And it does have the creed stamped inside this pocket. I'll insert a photo since it's really hard to show it on video, so you can see that the bag is authentic. So that is the Abbie Zip. It's a great style if you want something on the smaller side, maybe just to carry the essentials. That probably won't be too heavy to carry around on your shoulder if that's a concern, and something that's a comfortable crossbody. So this bag is available now in our online store. The link will be below in the description box if you'd like to check it out, as well as there are links to our social media accounts if you want to follow us there to keep up to date with all the bags that we post, as well as a link to our email newsletter. You can sign up for that as well to keep up to date with the store and the bags as we post them. And then lastly, all the information I mentioned earlier in the video about this bag will also be in the description box below. Thanks for watching and take care.